Hello, welcome to our series. I am Muno Matthias Aladngo. I'm a business and transactional lawyer. Today's dose of our series is choosing the right business structure. Sole proprietor against private company against public company. So, if you are starting a business, one of the first big decisions you must make is to choose your business structure. If you fail to choose the right business structure, you will suffer with your business till you close it. So I am going to break down the business structures for you. So there is the sole proprietor, there is a private company, and a public company. So look at a sole proprietor like a single person running a small business. So a sole proprietor is the simplest of all the business structures. You are the boss, you run the business alone and keep all the profits. But here's the disadvantage. If the business has debts or legal problems, you are personally responsible to the extent that they come and even confiscate your personal belongings. It's great for small businesses because it has a low risk. Now, let's move on to the private company. A private company limited by shares. You can look at this kind of business as a business that is in the form of a small team working together, maybe in an office. It has shareholders. So in effect, a private company has a limited liability. That means your personal assets are safe if the company has a debt. They are safe to the extent of the shares you have invested or the shareholders have invested in the business. You can have partners or investors in a private company, but shares are not sold to the public. The shares are not open to the public for sales. It's good for a growing business that wants to limit some kind of risks as compared to a private company limited by shares. A private company can also sell shares, but the shares are not open to the public. Now let's move to the public company. This one is open to the stock market. You can sell shares to the stock market. You can advertise its shares on newspapers, headlines. You can have a very big office building. So you must understand that a public company sells shares to the public on the stock market. It can raise a lot of money and grow fast. But the disadvantage with the public company, the only disadvantage with the public company is that it's expensive. It's very expensive to start. It is highly regulated and must share financial information with everyone with everyone. So if you have a very big business and you're ready to go global, you want to call for shares, you want to sell shares in public market, a public company is the best structure for you. So now here's the advice. If you are choosing the right structure, if you want to get into business and you are choosing the right structure, it depends on your business goals, the size and the risks of the business. So you can either start simply, think smart and grow with the right foundation. So I advise all and sundry that are into business that before getting into business, make sure to contact a lawyer and get proper advice. Don't just rush into business without getting the proper business structure. For if you do so, you may end up crying and you will spend more to cure the defect. So thank you very much for following. Stay tuned for our next series that will be coming soon.